We've all set a grand ambition that felt certain in the moment, only to watch it slowly dissolve into nothing. When these plans fall apart, it is rarely a problem of willpower. The failure usually stems from a lack of clear boundaries and structure. A statement like, "I want to be healthier," or "we need to increase sales," lacks strict criteria. Without those boundaries, the goal is merely a wish. To convert abstract desires into concrete instructions, we use a mechanical translation tool known as the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Without this filtering mechanism, ambition remains theoretical. Force an idea through these 5 criteria, and you build a reliable roadmap for execution. This text box is our baseline, a desire to launch a successful podcast. The specific filter replaces ambiguity with clear definitions, a 10-episode business podcast. Next, the measurable filter adds concrete tracking criteria, aiming for 1,000 downloads per episode. Locking in a metric removes subjective interpretation from the project. There's no room to debate reaching the mark. Numbers provide objective proof. But we must check if those metrics are realistic. As we dial down resources, the Achievable filter forces the target to a 6-episode run at 500 downloads. This constraint acts as a pressure valve, keeping the project challenging while protecting the creator from the exhaustion of an impossible workload. Through these first 3 letters, an undefined ambition has been hammered into a tangible, properly sized mechanical project. Even a defined project is useless if it operates in a vacuum. To be effective, a goal must connect to a larger purpose. The relevant filter demands to know why this goal matters. We add a preamble to anchor the podcast to a broader mission: building consulting brand authority. This step ensures energy isn't wasted on vanity projects. It forces you to verify the objective serves long-term needs, and that now is the right time. Finally, the time-bound filter applies a strict calendar boundary, locking in a target deadline of November 1st. A specified timeframe creates focus. By ending the open-ended nature of the task, it replaces the tendency to delay with a ticking clock. Passing an idea through all 5 filters establishes an airtight perimeter around the work, defending the plan against the most common pitfalls of human planning. Compare our starting point on the left with our finish statement on the right. We have moved from a vague intent to a multi-layered instruction set. By answering the key questions required by the filter, you have structurally generated a strategic action plan. This framework removes friction during the actual work because it pre-answers the difficult questions of scale and intent. When you sit down to work, you no longer need to decide what success looks like. You only have to follow the path you already built. Pointing in one unambiguous direction strips away the daily decision fatigue that often stalls long-term projects. Every hour of work is directed toward a predefined finish line. Next time an objective arises, refuse to just state it. Force it through the filter and make it SMART.